In layman's terms, the difference between an inbound and an outbound digital marketing strategy is that in an inbound strategy, people are coming to you versus an outbound strategy, you're going to people. How do you do that? Well, inbound, you can use content marketing, you can write blogs, create articles, create videos, ebook, essentially create content that people are going to search for. So when somebody has a need or is looking for your product or your service, they're going to go on Google and they're going to type in the product or service that they're looking for. You're going to rank, they're going to see your listing, they're going to see your website, they're going to click on it, they're going to go to your website, end up buying and converting, hopefully turning into a customer. Again, the difference between an outbound strategy is that the consumer is not doing that. They might be on a website, they might be on social media, but they're probably doing some other activity. They could be doing some research for work or for school. They could be in the middle of watching a funny video or trying to hack our next election. You're interrupting them essentially with your ads. You're getting in front of them while they're doing something else. They weren't looking for what you had to offer or your service, and you're essentially getting in front of them and trying to promote your product or your service. Now, how do we do this? We can do this on social media very effectively. We have ads on almost every single platform: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Reddit, you name it. We have the ability also to create banner ads, display advertising. So when you go to websites, you see on the top of the website, there's always some type of promotion if it's a large website or a news source or a website that's just getting a lot of traffic. It could be a blog, for example. We also have email. There's a lot of advertisers that buy lists and then send them marketing communications through email. So again, to clarify, these are advertisers that are buying lists from third parties, not people that are signing up for your service on your website, which obviously already have an intent for your product or service. This would be in the situation where you're buying a list from somebody else. So again, the main difference is in inbound, people are coming to you. Outbound, you are going to people. Now, what's important to notice about these things is that when people are coming to you to buy something, there is a high intent. There's a high likelihood that they're gonna buy because they're looking for what you have to offer. However, you tend to have a lower volume here because if you think about it in this way, there's 80 million people in the United States that are on social media approximately. Not all 80 million might be looking for your product or service. So that's where an outbound marketing strategy works very well hand in hand with an inbound marketing strategy, because although there will be a lower intent, you do get higher volume. In situations where you're maybe launching a new product in a market where maybe that product or service doesn't exist, there might not be a lot of people searching for the product or service. The ones who are searching for it are definitely gonna have a high intention to purchase, but if it's a product that is new to the market, there might not be a lot of searches happening for it. So this is definitely where you wanna take advantage of an outbound strategy, also known as a push strategy, because you're pushing your ads and your content essentially to people, versus inbound, where you're pulling people in because you're creating this content and at some point they're gonna go on the internet and search for it. Again, you wanna find a good blend of using both of these strategies. And one particular that you guys should know, well, not a strategy, but a channel that actually bridges both strategies very, very well is search advertising. Search advertising is phenomenal. And when I say search advertising, I'm talking about mainly Google and YouTube. Yes, there is Yahoo and Bing as well, and some other search platforms like Yelp, but the volume is mainly consumed between Google and YouTube, Google being numero uno, YouTube being number two. I call this a hybrid because usually when people are going on Google to search for things, there's a very high intent. They don't always know what they're looking for, but they have a good idea, and after a few searches, people can narrow down exactly what they are looking for. With search ads, you can get in front of people that have a high intent. So therefore, you have the ability to scale beyond your own means. So for example, if your page, if your website or blog, whatever it may be, doesn't rank on the first page of Google, how do you take advantage of that? Ads. Ads propel you to the top. If people are going on YouTube right now and they're searching things like how to create a digital marketing strategy or how to do inbound versus outbound marketing, my video might not come up number one. How do I affect that? I can buy ads on YouTube propel me to the top of that search result and get right in front of your faces. So this is a great channel where you can blend both a high intent and high volume and take advantage of a hybrid approach to both things. All in all, what you guys really want to take away from here is that inbound is customers coming to you, outbound is you going to them. In a perfect world, you want to find a synergy between these two different types of strategies, as they will both help you to grow your digital influence and your business. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more weekly videos like this one. And as always, if you have any comments, make sure to drop them below and I will do my best to answer them as quick as possible and pump out some more videos on similar topics for you guys. Till the next video, peace.